It's showing.
Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. In our math subject today we are going to learn some basic concepts which are very useful for your further chapters. So pay attention properly. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay? So what is the basic concepts? First is in these basic terms we are learning some new definitions. So first one is our natural number. So what is meant by the natural number? 1, 2, 3, 4 up to the infinite number is called the natural number. This thing you know. But there should be one click in your mind. Why should we say for this number natural number? Why should it not any other number? Yeah, this is the main point. So see here, when you go outside, what you will ask for someone, please give me one pencil. Please, if you go in the shop, what you will say, please give me 1 dozen apples, or like these questions you will ask. So what is there? 1, 2, 3, these numbers are there. Means it sound meaningful. It sound meaningful, so we are calling for this number natural number. Understand? 1, 2, 3, 4 up to the n term. Up to the n term are called the natural number. Second one point is our prime numbers. Now what is meant by the prime number? First we will see the example, then we will go for the definition. See now, what are the prime number? Here 17 and 43. Two numbers I have taken. So 17, in which table 17 is coming? 1's table and 17's table. You can check any other. See 2's table, there is no 17. 3's table, there is no 17. 9's table, there is no 17. So 1's table and 17's table. 43, same. 1's table and 46's table. 43 is not divisible by any other number. Only 1 and 43. So what can we make the definition of the prime number? See, the number other than 1. You can take any number. 12, there will be the first common factor 1. So, the number other than 1 whose only factors are 1 and the number itself. 1 and the number itself, such numbers are called the prime number. See, you can take any other number. Again take 11. So what will be there? 1 and the number itself. Number itself. So 11, 43 and 17 are the prime numbers. The number other than 1 and only factor 1 and the number itself. I hope you have understand the prime number. Now in a prime number there is another one method for making the difference of the prime number and the composition number. Let's see that one. So in mathematics, the slaves of Eratosthenes is an ancient logarithm for finding all the prime numbers up to any given limit. And this method is about over 22 years old method. And this is very easy method for understanding for any child because it is very simple method. From this method we can easily understand which are the prime numbers and which are the composite numbers. So in the given table you can see here there are the green blocks and the white blocks. So in the green blocks, which numbers are there, such numbers are called the prime numbers, and we have learned what is mean by the prime number. And in the white color block there are the numbers, such numbers are called the composite number, and we have learned also what is mean by the composite number. So here 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, these all are the prime numbers. And from 1 to 100, in 1 to 100 there are total 25 prime numbers. There are total 25 prime numbers, and rest of all are the composite number. So in the prime number there is again one point is there, that is the twins prime number. So what is meant by the twins prime number? So twins prime numbers means what? You can see here 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 I will say these are the twins prime number. But why these are the prime number? Because between these two prime number there is one composite number. And the difference of these two number is what? 2. See, 19 minus 17, 2. 13 minus 11, 2. So what can we say the definition of the twins prime number? Between two prime number there is one composite number. This one also we can make one definition, and again one definition is what? The such prime numbers, there is the difference of the two. The such numbers are called the twins prime number. So now there is one question. There is one question. Give the pairs of the twins prime number. So using this list of the Eurosix table, you can easily within 1 minute you can find the pairs of the twins prime number. So come on, now we will count the pairs of the twins prime number. So which are that? 3 5, 5 7, 11 13, 17 19. Again you can see 29 and 31, 41 43, 59 61, 71 73. Finish. These are the twins prime numbers, pairs of the twins prime number. I hope now you have understand the Swiss of the Eurosix method. See, our next point is now composite number. Now only I have shown in that method the difference of the prime and the composite number. Composite is the total opposite of the prime. Prime number means what? Not coming in any table. And composite number means what? The numbers which are coming in table. We suppose 4, 12. You can see 4 is coming in which table? 1's table, 2's table, 4's table. Okay. 12 coming in which table? 1's table, 2's table, 3's table, 4's table, 6's table, 12's table. So this number has more than 2 factors. This number has how many? More than 2 factors. So these numbers are called the composite number. These numbers are called the composite number. The numbers having more than 2 factors. Such numbers are called composite number. So for example, we will take here 16. In which table 16 is coming? 1's table, 2's table, 3's table, no. 4's table, again 8's table, and 16 itself. So see here, how many factors it has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is more than 2. So 16 is the composite number. So what can we make one concept in your mind? In 1 to 100. Okay, there are the 25 prime numbers and rest of all are the composite number. Okay. And afterwards there is our last term, even and odd numbers. So you have learned this one, but once again I will repeat the even and odd numbers. So what is the even numbers? Any number that can be divided by 2. Only which number? 2. And their remainder should be 0 only. No any other, means remainder 1, remainder 2. No, the remainder should be the 0. So that numbers are called the even numbers. In short was 2's table continuous series. 2's table continuous series is called the even number. You can take any number. Suppose 28. If you divide for that by 2, 2 1s are 2 and 8. 2 4s are 8. What is our remainder? 0. Means by 2 we divide for 28 and our remainder is 0. Means what? By this 2 it is divisible whole divisible it is there. So this 28 is the even number, and rest of all which are the not divisible by the 2, rest of all numbers are the odd numbers. Rest of all numbers are the odd. Means which one? 1, 3, 5, 7. These are the odd numbers. I hope you understand the even and odd numbers. What is the main thing is there? Even number means what? 2's table. and odd number means what? Rest of all numbers. So once again I will repeat all points. Natural number means what? 1 to the n term. Prime number means what? The numbers which are not in any table. Not in any table. Only in which table? One's table and its itself table. Next one is our composite number. Composite number is for the number which has more than 2 factors. That numbers are called the composite number. Even number means what? 2's table continuous series. Means if we divide for any number, if our remainder is 0, then that number is called the even. And if we divide by 2 for that number, if your remainder come 1's, 2 if of any other number, that is called the all number. I hope all these terms you have understand carefully. Thank you.